Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. If you're new here, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go about saving yourself some money in the garden. It is always great to save money in your gardens so you can go ahead and purchase something else that you will want to add to your garden. So here's a quick tutorial on how I go about saving money. So right here I have my tomatoes planted. They're doing absolutely amazing. I'm really happy with how healthy my tomatoes are. Now I do have here roughly maybe I think it's 14 varieties of tomatoes. But we're not going to be talking about what kind of varieties of tomatoes we have here, but I did want to touch bases on it. But here is a problem. Every year we are buying stakes for our gardens, and you guys, these are short, broke, and stubby stakes, and you guys, I refuse to go and buy anymore. Now I have had these, you guys, for roughly 8 years, probably even more, some of them. So what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how I go about saving myself some money. So as you can see, these all these stakes are broken. And now I'm going to do is I have here is some shorter stakes that I'm going to be utilizing to put these two stakes together. So the great way to do this is simply and cheaply and affordably is by combining them together. So what you're going to need is a couple of zip ties. Now zip ties are cheap and affordable. You can get a ton of zip ties for maybe $3, 100 of them for maybe $3. So to me that is a win-win situation, especially when it comes down to buying new bamboo stakes over and over. And as prices are starting to rise, we do not want to spend more money on something that we're still holding on to. So we're going to need 2 zip ties. So we're going to take 1 zip tie and zip tie it to the middle of the stake so that they both can stay together. So one at the top and one at the bottom. And we need the second one to control it. Now we have a 6-foot bamboo stake. And I have just saved myself from buying more bamboo stakes. And here is a close-up on exactly how it's going to look. I hope this helps someone to save some money out in the garden. So here's just a quick idea of what everything's going to look like. I will be finishing the rest off camera, but this is so far what I have gotten done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. And like I always tell you guys, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye for now. I hope I was able to save you guys some money. And I'll see you guys in the next one.